Hello, young scientists. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of breathing, also known as the respiratory system. Let's turn to page 12 and explore how our bodies take in air and get rid of the stuff we don't need. Imagine your body is like a super cool machine. This machine needs fuel, right? Well, the fuel for our bodies is oxygen, and we get it from the air we breathe. But how does this oxygen get from the air into our blood? It's all thanks to the respiratory system. Our journey starts with the nose and mouth. These are the doorways where air enters our body. Inside, tiny hairs and sticky stuff called mucus trap dust and germs. This is like a security system, keeping the bad stuff out. Next, the air travels down the trachea, also known as the windpipe. Think of it as a highway for air. The trachea splits into two tubes called bronchi, one for each lung. Your lungs are big, spongy bags inside your chest. And they are the stars of the show when it comes to breathing. Inside the lungs, the bronchi split into even smaller tubes called bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles, we find tiny air sacs called alveoli. These little air sacs are covered in tiny blood vessels, which are like tiny highways for blood. Here's where the magic happens: oxygen from the air passes into the blood, and carbon dioxide, a waste product, passes from the blood into the air. This is how your body gets the oxygen it needs, and how it gets rid of the carbon dioxide that it doesn't. But wait, there's more. To breathe in, or inhale, your diaphragm, a big muscle below your lungs, moves down. This makes more space in your chest, and your lungs expand, sucking in air. Then, to breathe out, or exhale, your diaphragm moves up, squeezing the lungs and pushing the air out. It's like a balloon that gets bigger and smaller. Breathing is a constant process, happening all day and all night, without you even having to think about it. It's an amazing and vital job that our body does automatically. Now, let's talk about why breathing is so important. Oxygen is used by every cell in your body to create energy. This energy helps you run, play, think, and do everything. Carbon dioxide, the waste product of this energy-making process, needs to be removed. If it builds up in your body, it can be harmful. So, breathing in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide is essential for staying healthy. Breathing also helps us speak and sing. When air passes over our vocal cords, we can make different sounds. Pretty cool, huh? So, remember, your respiratory system is a super important part of your body. It helps you take in the oxygen you need to live and gets rid of the carbon dioxide that you don't. Keep learning, keep breathing, and keep exploring the amazing world around you. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.